In this tutorial, we'll create an email signature for a cannabis specialist using a pre-designed template from Bybrand. Let's start with this example, which will serve as the foundation for our customizations. In the first step, we'll upload the company logo and add the brand's tagline. Next, we'll enter the essential contact details, the specialist's name, job title, email address, phone number, and website. These are fundamental elements that every professional email signature should include. It's also a good idea to add social media icons and links to increase engagement with your community. Now, we'll insert a marketing banner at the bottom, linking to the online store. Alternatively, you can use banners or links that point to educational resources or other relevant materials. Once you're done customizing, don't forget to save the signature to avoid losing any information. In the next step, we'll make a few small adjustments to the font and text color to better match the company's branding. When everything looks good, click the Paste into Email button to apply the signature. In this section, you can copy and paste the content into your email client, or, if you've enabled the Gmail integration, send it directly. Finally, you can duplicate the signature to create versions for other team members, ensuring brand consistency across communications.